Hello everyone, in today's video I will share 10 phrases that will help you to sound like a native speaker. So let's start the video. Number 1. On a roll. This saying means you are making good progress or you are doing a really good job. For example, the boss decided to promote Joan because he had been on a roll. Number 2. A piece of cake. Although this might sound delicious, it isn't referring to an actual piece of cake. It means something that's very easy. For example, we can say, the quiz was a piece of cake, so all of the students passed with an grade A. Number 3. Easy as pie. This one is similar to the last idiom because it isn't literally talking about pie. It also means when something is very easy. For example, the project was easy as pies, so they finished it quickly. Number 4. Raining cats and dogs. It would be very scary that concerning if cats and dogs are really falling from the sky like rain. Raining cats and dogs means when the raining is very hard. For example, it was raining cats and dogs outside, so the event had to be cancelled. Number 5. Get the ball rolling. This saying means to begin something so you can start making progress or you can finish it something. For example, we can say, let's get the ball rolling on the construction project. Number 6. My dogs are barking. Here, an owner isn't talking about their pet dogs being loud. My dogs are barking is another way of saying my feet are hurting. For example, we can say, after walking around all day, my dogs are barking. Number 7. Hit the sack. To hit the sack is another way of saying to go to sleep. People usually say it when they are very tired. For example, we can say, today was a really long day, so I am going to hit the sack now. Number 8. Hold your horses. Whoa, horses. No, this is saying isn't about real horses. It means to calm down, to be patient. For example, we can say, the teacher told her students hold their horses when they all started running after the lunch bell rang. Number 9. Under the weather. This idiom means to not feel well. It could mean someone is sick or they are upset about something. For example, we can say, she went home early because she was feeling under the weather. Finally, number 10. Cut to the chase. Cut to the chase means to get the point without wasting time. Feeling impatient and angry, he holds them to cut to the point. We can use these phrases in every situation where it's needed. Then our sound like to be a native speaker. We can talk like a native speaker. That's all for today, and I'll upload many more videos about English hacks, English grammar, English speaking, English writing, and all about English. So please keep supporting my channels, follow my channels, and if it is possible then subscribe my channels, and happy learning.